The tarot card deck captures within its 78 cards the human's journey through life. Let us take a look at the structure of our tarot card deck. In all, the deck has 78 cards. Out of these, we have 22 cards which are called as the Major Arcana card. These cards are numbered from 0 to 21. In the Major Arcana, the very first card, which is the first card of not only the Major Arcana but also the very first card of the deck itself. This card is called as the Fool's card. It is labeled as number 0, even though it is the first card. This number 0 is actually very significant, friends, especially because 0 in the Eastern philosophy is also the number for enlightenment. When you zero in or you zero out is when you're enlightened. And in a way, as we progress through the cards of the tarot deck, we will see that in this journey also we are trying to progress towards our final fulfillment and our complete integration of ourselves to our final goal. Also the various parts of ourselves. Friends, this Fool's card represents the querent himself, or the human being who has started on this journey of life. And all of the other 77 cards represent experiences of life, all the experiences that the Fool goes through. So the first 22 Major Arcana cards are followed by 4 suits. Each of these 4 suits has got 14 cards. These 4 suits also represent our 4 elements, namely fire, air, earth and water. Each of the suits has got cards from aces to tens and then court cards, which include the pages, knights, queens and kings. These in all comprise the 56 minor arcana cards. So our 78 cards can be divided into the 22 major arcana and the 56 minor arcana. Our 56 minor arcana can further be divided into the 40 suit cards starting from aces to tens, and then the 16, yes, they are also part of the suit, but the 16 court cards. As we have already understood that each card depicts experiences in our life journey. But the major arcana means secret. The major arcana depicts big events in our life, big changes. They usually represent changes which can be likened to a new chapter in our life. Whereas the minor arcana is about small changes. It is about everyday events in our life. Whereas the court cards represent influences in the life of the querent. These influences can be in the form of people or external events. They can be messages for the querent from tarot or from the universe.